Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous paper quilling goddess fridge magnet. And can you see the intricate work for making crown, earrings, necklace, everything. So I will share how to create this gorgeous piece from scratch, and without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am starting with making the face of goddess. For this I am taking 18 strips of 3mm in yellow color and making one big tight coil. So tight coil is ready. Just secure the end using glue, and then I am just shaping it little bit like a dome using my quilling mold. Like this. Then adding glue inside this dome, spread it using brush nicely and allow it to dry. So this is done. Then I am taking here 8.5 by 11 centimeters white color paper, just folding this from center and creating one curved pattern in one of the corner. Then we just need to trim this pencil marking. And I am taking same size cardboard piece and tracing this design on the cardboard, and then we need to cut both the corners like this. So the base is done. Then adding glue on cardboard and sticking it on red color sheet, which is little bigger in size than the base. Then from all four sides we need to make small cuts and stick it on the cardboard. So this is done. Then adding one more same size shape on other side for finishing. And the base for magnet is ready. Then to start with some basic shapes, here I am taking 1/8 strip of light brown color in 2mm and creating one tight coil. Similarly, I have already prepared some more tight coils. Then taking back the base, and from all the edge I am going to decorate this using tight coils. So this is done. I had just colored the top of the tight coil using gold acrylic paint just to add little shine. Now exactly in the center I am going to stick the yellow color dome which we have created, and also I have created the neck using yellow color cardstock, which I am going to stick behind the face. So this is done. Then I am adding hairs here. For this I am taking black color 3mm small pieces of strips and sticking it like this. Similarly, remaining portion I am filling with black strips. So after adding hairs, it should look like this. Then I am starting with some basic shapes to create the earrings, and for this I am taking one strip of white color in 3mm, dividing in 4 equal parts. Then gather all together, fold it from center and start rotating it using pointed tweezer. So here I am creating the scroll. Just chopping the excess strip from bottom and secure all the ends using glue, and the scroll is ready. Super easy. Then for the next shape I am taking 1/8 strip of white color in 3mm, making one tight coil. All these shapes I am using to create the earrings. Then for the next shape again I am taking 1/8 strip of white color and making the bended teardrop shape. Like this. Then taking back the base, and I'll start adding all these shapes one by one to create the earrings. So here I am adding 2 scrolls like this, like in S shape in opposite way. Then inside this I am adding bended teardrop and some tight coils. And for other side again I am adding bended teardrops and also decorating using 1/8 strip tight coils. Then for the bottom I am here taking half strip of white color in 3mm and creating one leaf shape. Similarly I have prepared 2 more leaves using 1/4 strips. So just sticking it as the earring. And then adding some more tight coils. And the beautiful earring is ready. Similarly I am going to make the right side earring. So after adding both the shapes it will look like this, looking very pretty, isn't it? Then to make the necklace, here I am adding first row using white color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. Then I am just adding one small strip of white color in the bottom of these tight coils. Then for the next row I am adding white tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips. Again adding one small strip in the bottom, and then for the last row I am adding tight coils which are made using half strips of white color in 3 mm. So the necklace is also ready. Now I am starting with the crown portion. So for first row I am adding 1/8 strip tight coils. Like this. Then adding 2 tight coils on left and right sides which are made using half strips. And then I have added here 2 scrolls together, one in normal size which we have created earlier and the other one is in little smaller size. I have just chopped the bottom strips to make it shorter. So I am adding same design on both the sides and creating the symmetrical pattern on both the sides. Wiping out the excess glue marks immediately using wet brush. Then adding 2 more scrolls in the center. Then sticking some tight coils. Then adding 2 more small scrolls on top. And two small scrolls on left and right sides. Then exactly in the center I am adding one teardrop shape which is made using half strip and decorating this with some tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. Also putting some more 1/8 strip tight coils here and there like a mirror image. Then exactly in the center I am putting some more tight coils which are made using half strips, 1/4 strips and 1/8 strips. And adding 2 more tight coils on the top which are made using half strips and 1/8 strips. And the beautiful crown is ready, looking very gorgeous. Then here I have prepared this nose which is simple triangle piece of yellow cardstock. I have just folded this from center, added glue on back side and sticking the nose on face. Very easy. Then creating eyes using black marker. Similarly making the other eye. And here I have created the lips using red marker. Then I am adding sindoor using small red color strip and one small red circle as the bindi. Very pretty. Then adding the nose ring which is made using 2 mm white strip. And then backside of the base I am sticking one magnet using glue, allow it to dry. And the gorgeous and very pretty goddess fridge magnet is ready. You can stick it on metal almirah or you can just use this as a showpiece. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.